Alright guys, today we're welding a diff on AU Falcon, and this is what you will need. A welder, any sort, doesn't really matter. Gas or gasless, just feed it in there. 18 and 20 to get rid of the rear sway bar. What do we got? A 15 for the drain, and then a 1/316 for the where you top it up, and a 1/2 inch for the rear casing. And then, you know, for the good old Aussie locker, refill it. We're doing a mixed blend here. Get the cheapest, dirtiest oil you can find, preferably 8140. It's really thick. Look at this, $6.80. Can't go wrong, eh? So mixed blend for that. Welder, couple sockets and open enders. So yeah. All right. So I'm gonna weld the diff. I'm gonna undo that bolt, move this out the way, drain the oil, and then undo all these bolts around and go from there. So to get that bolt off there, it's 18. Yeah. So after trying a few open enders and sockets, a 1/316, it a little bit loose, but we just send it anyway. Oh, let's go. Alright. Now, we've taken this off, so you know you can refill it. Because if you take this off, if you take that one off, and you can't get that one off, you're sort of fucked. So size up this one now, take this off, should be good. Got this, cut that open, put it drop into there. Alright, the drainer bolt is a 15. So take that off. Nugget on. Ooh. Nothing beats the old smell of diff oil, eh? Alright, so the last of the diff oil is just drained out. So I'll bucket it. You sized it up. It's a 13's a little bit of play, but a 1/2 inch seems to go. So I'll take this back plate off now, clear it out and get ready to weld. So I got them couple loose. Alright, so I've taken all the bolts out. Into these last two. And of course, one dropped into there, you know, of course. Alright, let's crack this open now, eh? Oh, So we cracked the casing open. Peekaboo. But I'm gonna have to fuck this rear sway bar off because I thought doing the center one would flex out, but it won't. So I'm just gonna knock one out, see if it'll move enough. If not, knock them both out and just put it back on later. Unfortunately, sizes is that is a 20, just use an open ender, and that's an 18. So now, take that one off, take this off, and we'll come back. I've been eating that. Alright, now. Fucker. Finally. Casing is off. Weldy, here we come. Alright, so we've got some updates from Ty and Holden. I forgot a blowtorch, so I'm gonna burn the oil out of it. A bit of degreaser and a lighter. Full degreasing out the fucking part number on this, eh? Alright, so if we've got, need to jack this up because you can't move the wheels at the moment, so you can get the weld in there. Okay, bro. Fuck. You ain't gonna be happy. That's right, I'll catch it. Alright, we got the welder. We'll put that on max. 7. Just pump it under there. So I got 2 damp rags. One for like just underwear with welding. One for sort of around the splines. So you're gonna weld there. What? Yeah, we've lost power. We blew something here. Lights are off. Everything's off. Ah, you cunt. What's up? I'm just gonna slip. Reckon this would pass the pinky? Double spider's eggs. Keep going. Alright, yeah, stop there. Alright, now we're gonna just fill it in there, just load it up.
Oh, there's a fire next to you.
Alright. Full of fucking bird shit. Doesn't matter how good of a welder you are, just send it, eh? Hey, Ty.
Hey, that's it. Just fill it up.
Just fill her up. Now, scrape a bit of these little shit off the other gears and move it over. Hit these with a wire brush. Wet rag just sizzling away. Hot towel for you, sir. For the fresh haircut. All welded. Look at these beautiful welds. Alright. Wait, move one wheel. Oh, that's welded. Now I'm gonna get all this old blue shit off. Reapply some JB weld. And put the casing back on. Now we're going to hit from the case side, just rub it in, be hard on it. Everything's all screwed back up. Now it's got to refill it. Alright, time for the second one. Oh, you fuck. Stupid long ass bottle. Right, diff is full. It's the mixed blend. Diff's all back together. Filled out of oil. Re-sway bars back on. Let's go.